Hello, good evening, everyone. And thank you, everyone, for your participation in the Section 1 Grand Mock exam that we conducted last week. And thank you for your feedback for the mock exam. So today we are conducting the second edition of the Grand Mock exam, which comprises of 200 questions like we had for the part 1 of the Grand Mock exam last week. And in the second mock exam, I'll tell you what are the features we have. It's almost the same, but you have more clinical scenarios now with more detailed explanations. Okay, so we have 1 week left for our section 1 exam, and what we can do is solve as many questions as possible to get familiar with the exam format and the exam type questions. And if you have detailed explanations and the page numbers, like from where the references are actually based, so it's very easy for you to go back and revise those chapters because you have already read them, the standard textbooks over the months. So let me just quickly tell you what the mock exam is all about. Like you appeared for this part of the first mock exam, this is just the same. So you have 200 questions like you see in the screen. The first question, you mark the question, you move to the next one. You can flag the questions if you want. You're going to come back and suppose you want an image-based question, the image will be displayed and you can mark the answers related to that. There is a feature of taking a break. If you want to take a break, just click on this, the timer starts. I recommend you take this after 100 questions. If you want to take less than an hour, just have to click on end break to resume the test from where you stopped. So once you're done with all the 200 questions, you go to the last question and submit. Okay, you go to the last question, click on submit, and once you submit, you'll get where you get how many questions you have answered correctly, where do you stand in your ranking. And you have definitely the right to review your answers at the same time, and you'll get the detailed explanation with every right answer. For example, you get here along with the page number so that you can go back to the guidelines, see the page number, revise your guidelines, revise your books. So like this, there are different questions, different scenarios like this. You can have a detailed image-based explanation, and there will be questions with image-based explanations wherever required, so that you can have actually you can go back and read the explanations as much as possible. And there are questions hidden in the explanations as well. So one question solving can help you at attempt 3 4 questions. And for example, this you go back to the Oxford page number, you can find out the page number, go back, revise it once, because you must have read that page before only. But now that you are solving the questions, it becomes easier for you when you go back and read that. So that's all about the what the section 1 mock exam is all about. We have previously 200 questions. This is another 200 questions exam set, exactly similar in the format of the exam. Trust me, you're going to enjoy this. Okay, so if you have any questions, just drop me an email, and all the best for your upcoming exam. Thank you.